Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple way to pay with Cash App even if you don't have your Cash App card with you. This method works great for in-store payments and takes less than a minute once you know the steps. So stick around till the end because this is going to save you from ever missing a payment again. First, grab your phone and open the Cash App. Once you're in, type in the exact amount you need to pay at the store. This is important because you'll be sending the money directly, so make sure it matches what you owe. Next, tap the Pay button at the bottom of the screen. Now you'll need the store's Cash App information. Just ask the cashier for their hashtag username or the phone number linked to their Cash App. Enter that information into the To field. And if you want, you can add a note, it's something like payment for groceries or store purchase to keep things organized. Once everything looks correct, tap the Pay button in the top right corner. That's it. Your payment is sent instantly, no card required. The store should see the money right away, and you're good to go. Key tip: this works best for small businesses and shops that accept Cash App payments. The key is making sure you have the correct cash tag or phone number before sending. Once you hit pay, the money is gone. And that's how easy it is to pay with Cash App without ever using your card. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick how-to videos, and share this with someone who uses Cash App all the time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.